Why does your scanner show the P0661 engine code? What does it mean? P0661 is a diagnostic trouble code for intake manifold tuning valve control circuit, low bank 1. This engine code indicates that the problem with the intake manifold tuning valve on the engine's bank 1. Specifically, it means the PCM or ECM has detected a voltage reading from the tuning valve's control circuit that is lower than expected. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: faulty intake manifold tuning valve, wiring issues, control module issues, other potential causes. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Mazda 3, Honda Civic, and Chevrolet Silverado models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.